Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's break down 10 common Excel challenges bosses, and many Excel users in general, face, along with VBA solutions and explanations to help you offer some Excel hero support. Before we start, important considerations. VBA security. Make sure your boss's Excel security settings are set to allow macros. Go to File Options, Trust Center Settings, Macro Settings, and choose Enable All Macros. Not recommended, potentially dangerous code can run, or disable all macros except digitally signed macros. The latter is safer if you have a digital certificate. Explain the risks of enabling all macros and the importance of only running code from trusted sources. Error handling. I'll include basic error handling in the code examples, but you can and should expand upon it for real-world use. Explain that error handling prevents the macro from crashing abruptly and provides more informative messages. User interface, UI. For more complex scenarios, consider creating custom dialog boxes, user forms, to make the macros easier for your boss to use. This involves dragging and dropping controls, buttons, text boxes, etc., in the VBA editor. This is a more advanced topic, but knowing it exists is important. Data structure. The code examples assume certain data structures. Adapt the code to match the actual layout of your boss's spreadsheets. Commenting. I'll add comments to the code to explain what each part does. Encourage your boss to read and understand the comments. Alternatives. Sometimes, a native Excel function or feature is a better solution than VBA. I'll mention these where applicable. The 10 challenges and solutions. 1. Combining data from multiple sheets/files, consolidation. The problem. Your boss needs to merge data from several similar Excel sheets or files into a single summary sheet. Manually copying and pasting is time-consuming and error-prone. VBA solution. Explanation. The code first asks for the location of the sheet where the user wants to put the data. It then uses a file dialog to allow the user to select multiple Excel files. It loops through each selected file and each worksheet in that file. It defines a source range, the data to copy, and a dest range, where to paste it in the summary sheet. This is the critical part that needs adjusting. It copies the values, not the formulas or formatting, to the summary sheet. Using .value is generally faster. It updates last row to the next available row in the summary sheet. It closes the opened workbooks without saving changes, can be changed if needed. Error handling. Checks if the summary sheet exists and if any files are selected. It also checks if the source worksheet contains any data to copy. Alternative, without VBA Power Query, get and transform data, is often a better solution for this. You can create a query that connects to multiple files and combines the data. Power Query handles data type conversions and more complex transformations. This is a recommended direction if your boss is comfortable with Power Query. 2. Automated report generation, based on criteria. The problem. Your boss frequently needs to generate reports that filter data based on specific criteria, example sales for a particular region, products with low stock. VBA solution. Explanation. The code gets the names of the worksheets. It uses input box to get the region and product criteria. Consider replacing this with a user form for a better user experience. It clears the existing report sheet. It loops through the data sheet, checking if each row matches the criteria. Asterisk if a row matches, it copies the entire row to the report sheet. This is efficient but assumes you want all columns. You could modify this to copy only specific columns. Asterisk it increments report row to the next available row in the report sheet. Asterisk it uses auto-fit to adjust the column widths in the report. Asterisk error handling asterisk checks if the data sheet exists. Asterisk alternative, without VBA Excel's filter function, available in Excel 365 and later, is a much better choice for this. It's dynamic, meaning the report updates automatically when the data changes. Pivot tables are also a great way to filter and summarize data. 3. Emailing reports/workbooks. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to automatically email reports or workbooks to specific recipients. Asterisk VBA solution, requires Outlook. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk the code creates an Outlook application object and a mail item. Asterisk it sets the recipient, subject, body, and attachment. The attachment path is set to the current workbook, but you can change it to a specific file path. Asterisk display shows the email before sending, useful for testing. Send sends the email directly. Asterisk error handling asterisk on error resume next is used to handle cases where Outlook is not open. Asterisk security asterisk the first time you run this code, Outlook will likely show a security warning. Your boss will need to click allow. Asterisk important asterisk this code requires Microsoft Outlook to be installed and configured. It directly uses the Outlook application. Asterisk alternative asterisk if you don't want to rely on Outlook, you can use CDO, collaboration data objects, but it's more complex and less reliable. Consider using a third-party email service that provides an API if you need more robust email capabilities. 4. Data validation automation. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to ensure data entered into specific cells follows certain rules, example only numbers within a range, a date within a certain period, a selection from a predefined list. Manually setting up data validation is tedious. Asterisk VBA solution asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk the code defines the worksheet and the range where you want to apply data validation. Asterisk validation range. Validation. Delete removes any existing validation. Asterisk validation range. Validation. Add adds the new validation. The type parameter specifies the type of validation, example XL validate whole number, XL validate list. Asterisk Formula 1 and Formula 2 are used to define the validation criteria, example the minimum and maximum values, or the list of allowed values. Asterisk input title and input message display a helpful message when the cell is selected. Asterisk error title and error message display an error message when the user enters invalid data. Asterisk different validation types asterisk explore the different XL validate constants to see the available validation types, example XL validate decimal, XL validate date, XL validate text length. Asterisk drop-down lists from ranges asterisk instead of hard-coding the list, drop-down list equals apples bananas oranges, you can point to a range on the sheet that contains the list of values, formula 1 equals my list range, where my list range is a named range. Asterisk alternative, without VBA Excel's data validation feature, data validation, is perfectly capable for many scenarios. Use named ranges for drop-down lists to make them more maintainable. 5. Formatting based on conditions, beyond conditional formatting. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to apply more complex formatting, example changing background colors, font styles, number formats, based on conditions that are difficult or impossible to achieve with standard conditional formatting. Asterisk VBA solution asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk the code loops through the data rows. Asterisk it checks each row against the conditions. Asterisk if a condition is met, it applies the specified formatting. Asterisk interior color changes the background color. RGB, red, green, blue, is used to specify the color. You can find RGB color codes online. Asterisk font bold, font color, font italic change the font properties. Asterisk number format changes the number format, example 0.00 for currency. Asterisk important asterisk be mindful of performance. Looping through many rows and applying formatting can be slow. Try to optimize the code if performance is an issue, example by disabling screen updating, application.screen updating equals false at the beginning and application.screen updating equals true at the end. Asterisk alternative, without VBA Excel's conditional formatting feature, home conditional formatting, is powerful, but it has limitations. Explore its options thoroughly before resorting to VBA. 6. Automated chart updates. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to automatically update charts based on changing data. While charts can be linked to data ranges, more complex scenarios, example dynamically changing chart titles, series names, or adding trend lines, might require VBA. Asterisk VBA solution asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk the code defines the worksheet and the chart object. The chart must already exist in the workbook. Asterisk cht.set source data updates the chart's data range. It's crucial to calculate the correct last row to include all data. Asterisk cht.chartTitle.text changes the chart title. You can use formulas and functions within the title, example format, date, MMMYYYY, to display the current month and year. Asterisk cht.series collection, 1, .trendlines.add adds a trend line to the first series in the chart. Asterisk important asterisk make sure the chart exists and that the CHT object is correctly assigned. The chart's name is what appears in the name box when the chart is selected. Asterisk alternative, without VBA Excel's dynamic named ranges can be used to automatically adjust the chart's data range. Right-click the chart, select Data, and edit the series formulas to use the named ranges. 7. Custom functions, UDFs, user-defined functions. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to perform calculations that are not available as standard Excel functions. UDFs allow you to create custom functions that can be used in formulas. Asterisk VBA solution asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk UDFs are defined using the function keyword. Asterisk you specify the function's name, the input parameters, with their data types, and the return data type. Asterisk the function performs the calculation and assigns the result to the function name. Asterisk to use the UDF asterisk go to a cell in the worksheet and enter equals calculate commission, 1000, 0.05 or equals get day of week, A1. Excel will calculate the result using your custom function. Asterisk important asterisk UDFs must be placed in a standard module, insert module in the VBA editor. The workbook must be saved as a macro-enabled workbook, .xlsm, to save the UDF. The UDF will be available in any sheet in that workbook. Asterisk limitations asterisk UDFs cannot directly modify the worksheet, example change cell formatting. They can only return a value. 8. Task automation, triggered by events. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to automate tasks based on specific events, such as opening a workbook, changing a cell value, or saving a workbook. Asterisk VBA solution, event handlers. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk event handlers are special subroutines that are automatically triggered by specific events. Asterisk workbook underscore open runs when the workbook is opened. Place this code in the This Workbook module, double-click this workbook in the VBA Project Explorer. Asterisk worksheet underscore change runs when a cell is changed. The target parameter represents the changed cell. Intersect is used to check if the changed cell is within a specific range. Place this code in the specific worksheet module, double-click the sheet name in VBA Project Explorer. Asterisk worksheet underscore activate runs when a worksheet is activated. This code is placed in the specific worksheets module. Asterisk important asterisk event handler code must be placed in the correct module, example this workbook for workbook level events, the worksheet module for worksheet level events. Asterisk other events asterisk explore other workbook and worksheet events, example workbook underscore before save, worksheet underscore calculate, worksheet underscore selection change. 9 Password protecting workbooks / sheets. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to protect workbooks or specific sheets with a password to prevent unauthorized access or modification. Asterisk VBA solution asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk this workbook protect protects the entire workbook. Structure equals true prevents adding, deleting, or renaming sheets. Windows equals false prevents changing the size or position of the workbook window. Asterisk this workbook sheets, sheet 1, protect protects a specific sheet. User interface only equals true allows macros to modify the sheet even when it's protected, useful for VBA driven changes. Asterisk important asterisk never hardcode passwords directly in VBA code. If you want serious security, VBA code can be easily viewed. Store passwords in a more secure way, example using a secure configuration file. Asterisk alternative, without VBA Excel's built-in protection features, File Info Protect Workbook, Review Protect Sheet, are the primary way to protect workbooks and sheets. VBA is only needed if you want to automate the protection process. 10 Search and replace across multiple worksheets. Asterisk the problem asterisk your boss needs to find and replace a specific string or value across multiple worksheets in a workbook. Manually performing search and replace on each sheet is time-consuming. Asterisk VBA solution asterisk. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk the code uses input boxes to get the search and replacement strings from the user. Asterisk it then loops through each worksheet in the workbook. Asterisk for each worksheet, it uses the useRange property to define the search range. This ensures that only cells containing data are searched, which can improve performance. Asterisk it then performs the find and replace operation using the replace method of the range object. Asterisk the lookat equals XL part argument specifies that the search should look for the search string as part of a cell value, rather than the entire cell value. Asterisk the match case equals false argument specifies that the search should be case insensitive. Asterisk the search format equals false and replace format equals false arguments specify that the search and replace should not take formatting into account. Key takeaways for your boss. Asterisk start simple asterisk begin with basic macros and gradually increase complexity. Asterisk understand the data asterisk the code must match the data structure. Asterisk test thoroughly asterisk always test macros before using them on critical data. Asterisk document the code asterisk add comments to explain what the code does. Asterisk use alternatives when possible asterisk Excel's built-in features are often a better choice than VBA. Asterisk security is crucial. Asterisk be careful when running macros from untrusted sources. Asterisk error handling is important. Asterisk anticipate potential errors and handle them gracefully. Asterisk consider a consultant. Asterisk for complex or mission critical automation, consider hiring an Excel/VBA consultant. By providing these solutions and explanations, you can empower your boss to tackle common Excel challenges and improve productivity. Remember to emphasize the importance of understanding the code and adapting it to their specific needs. Good luck.